Hey, what's up everybody? Josh here, and this is the LARQ, the world's first self-cleaning water bottle. It's a stainless steel, double-walled, screw-cap water bottle that does so much more than just hydrate you at work or at the gym. See, here's the thing. One of the biggest issues with stainless steel water bottles, and just reusable water bottles in general, is bacteria buildup, which makes your bottle smell pretty funky after a while. Also, drinking massive amounts of bacteria on a regular basis probably isn't a great idea. That's where LARQ's PureVis UVC LED technology comes in. It kills up to 99.9999% of bacteria and viruses in your water, which not only makes it safer to drink, but keeps your water bottle from breeding bacteria that causes that not so pleasant water bottle funk. And I know there are a few of you out there that are highly skeptical of UVC to treat your water, but I'm here to tell you, using UV, specifically UVC light, isn't crazy talk. It's actually based on science. UVC light is widely used to sterilize surfaces in hospitals. Some countries use UV as part of their water treatment systems, and outdoorists have been using UV pens to disinfect their water for years. LARQ themselves actually took their bottles to the lab to see just how effective their PureVis technology was when compared to a regular water bottle. And the results are kind of disgusting, but also eye-opening. Kind of makes you want to buy a LARQ. And full disclosure, LARQ did not sponsor this video. They did, however, send a bottle for us to review over on our other channel, Terra Drift, a full 2 years ago, and I've got to say, I'm still really impressed. But back to the bottle. Where functionality is concerned, the LARQ bottle goes into self-cleaning mode for 10 seconds every 2 hours, just to keep up with any potential bacteria growth. After refilling your bottle, tap the cap once to activate the 60-second normal mode. You'll want to use this mode when you're getting water from a trusted source. If you're not so sure about your water, you can double tap to activate adventure mode, which will run the light for 3 minutes, which further ensures that bacteria, viruses, and nasty protozoa are all dead, or deactivated to be technical. And before you ask, no, this is not a filter. You can't drink your own pee out of it, and it won't take chemicals out of your water. So use common sense and don't go filling up your LARQ out behind your local chemical plant. The bottle cap is rechargeable via USB, is totally waterproof, and stays charged for up to 4 weeks using normal mode 3 or 4 times a day. The double-walled construction means you can expect things to stay cold up to 24 hours or hot for up to 12, but this is of course a best case scenario if you're not constantly opening the bottle. And while you can put things like iced tea and coffee in your LARQ, it's important to note that the UVC really only works with clear water. Things like juice, Gatorade, drinks with dyes in them, or even water with heavy sediment won't be penetrable by the UVC light, or at least will limit its effectiveness. Those kinds of drinks will leave residue anyway, so you'd need to wash your bottle the old-fashioned way. And speaking of washing, you will need to occasionally wash the outside rim where your mouth touches the bottle. This is the only area that's not reachable by the UVC light and can get a little grody after a while. Fortunately, it's the part of the bottle that's easiest to clean. And just a note of caution, and in case you haven't been paying attention this whole time, this is a metal water bottle. If you drop it on a hard surface, you may very well put a ding in it. Now, the 17-ounce LARQ comes in at $95 a pop, which may sound like a lot for a water bottle, but keep in mind you're paying for that sweet, sweet UVC technology. There's also a 25-ounce version for $118. LARQ also offers single-walled and non-PureVis water bottles, and if you'd like to buy one for yourself, I'll drop links to each of them in the description below.